and we start with Sefer Chofetz Chaim, and we continue with our list of 7 conditions for Tehillim, for constructive purpose. Now, speaking for constructive purpose. So we have to have condition number 6. Weighing the opinions. Condition number 6. As with Lashon Hara, one may not relay Rechilus for a constructive purpose if this purpose can be accomplished through other means. Okay. So as we said, maybe you go talk to this guy, rebuke him, or do something indirectly. Right? Of course, the easiest of all is a direct approach, informing the potential victim of what is being plotted and allowing him to fend for himself. Okay, that's the easiest way. The Torah, however, views this avenue as a last resort. If the opinion exists, if the option exists, one must protect the victim without his even suspecting that someone is attempting to harm him. This opinion does not apply wherein it is important for the potential victim to be on guard should the other party attempt to harm him in a later point in time. So if it's possible somehow, of course it depends on the situation, to protect this victim, maybe it's one-time thing, right? To block somehow this offender, right? So that's what we must do. But otherwise, like if this thing can reoccur, of course you cannot always be around. So of course you can inform him if needed. Obviously, there is a limit of how much effort one is required to invest in protecting his fellow Jew from harm when the person is fully capable of protecting himself. Right? It's very valid point. If you start like creating all of these roundabout ways instead of telling him, and how much time is going to take you, and it's going to be time instead of learning Torah, which is not good. If in order to avoid involving the potential victim, one have to dedicate an unreasonable amount of time and energy, it would be permissible to inform the person so that he can protect himself. And so, as we said, it depends. So they say if it's, it would require hours upon hours during the day, right? And if person is busy as it is, so of course, it's not required to spend all of this extra time.